Thank you for joining us. Welcome to our University of Wisconsin-Madison College of Engineering Mechanical Engineering Master's Program Career Outcomes webinar. Taking a quick look at our agenda for today, first we're going to walk through a program overview. Next, we're going to explore our track options that are within these programs. After that, we're going to explore the career outlook for program graduates. And then we'll wrap it up with admissions requirements, an application process, and a question and answer session. I'm an enrollment coach for the Accelerated Engineering graduate programs here at UW-Madison. As an enrollment coach, I help prospective students learn more about the programs, help them find the right program for them, and guide them through the application process. My contact information is listed on this slide, and I would encourage you to reach out to us directly with any questions that you have following our webinar. All right, let's jump into an overview of our mechanical engineering masters. There's two master's programs in mechanical engineering. One is our accelerated program, and the other is the model and simulation in mechanical engineering. We also have a master's in engineering mechanics, specifically focused on aerospace engineering. Each one of these programs has 30 credits that are required. They're all face-to-face, they're all accelerated, which means students are going to be studying full-time on campus. Typically, students complete the program within 12 to 16 months. Tuition is $1,200 US dollars per credit, and students can start either in the fall or the spring semester, with aerospace engineering also accepting students during the summer semester. So let's explore what our track options are. The Master's in Mechanical Engineering Accelerated program has 6 areas of emphasis. First, biomechanics. You'll gain knowledge and techniques used to study human movement and integrate cutting-edge mechanics research with biology. The second area is computation and data-driven engineering. In this program, you're going to learn to create mathematical models and develop computer models for a diverse array of engineering applications. In energy systems, you will apply mechanical engineering principles to systems converting energy to analyze and design various energy systems. Our fourth area is advanced manufacturing. In this program, you'll build a scientific understanding of advanced manufacturing processes. We also have the mechanics emphasis, which allows you to expand understanding of a complex physical phenomenon and apply fundamentals of mechanics to design. Lastly, we have the area of robotics control and sensing. You'll understand how robotic systems evolve over time, physical and mathematical principles, and new problem-solving technology. You're going to notice on the bottom of a slide is a QR code. You'll see that on the bottom of all of our track slides. I would encourage you to take out your phone, scan it, and that will take you to learn more about the course requirements for each one of these areas of emphasis. The Master's in Mechanical Engineering, Modeling and Simulation in Mechanical Engineering is a little bit different. You're required to take 2 semesters of graduate seminar, a minimum of 5 courses, or 15 credits total from the core courses that are listed on this slide. You can learn more about the course requirements by scanning that QR code, and you can see what all of the different requirements are for the specific program. Lastly, we're going to look at the Master's in Engineering Mechanics, Aerospace Engineering. There's 5 topical areas. You'll need to complete 2 semesters of graduate seminar and complete at least 2 of the 5 topical areas, which is a minimum of 12 credits to build depth. These topical areas are fluid and thermal sciences, rigid body dynamics, structural dynamics, aerospace mechanics and materials, and computation. All right, let's pivot and take a look at what our career outlooks are. First, we're going to look across the whole nation. So as you can see here, you can see our top industries. It ranges from architectural engineering and related services, aerospace product and parts manufacturing, semiconductor, motor vehicle parts manufacturing, navigational, measuring, electromedical, and control instruments manufacturing, management of companies and other enterprises. As you can see, the demand is strong. Between 2024 and 2025, there were nearly 195,000 job postings nationwide. And students that are entering this space have a median salary of just over $100,000. As we narrow that down and look specifically at the UW-Madison alumni, you can see some of the positions that our students have had. Common titles: design engineer, mechanical engineer, product development engineer, and you can see the list goes on and on. Geographically, our alumni are spread across the country, everything from the Midwest and then coast to coast. And who's employing our alumni? If you take a look, you're going to see the biggest names in aerospace, defense, and manufacturing. Companies like Boeing, GE, General Atomics. You're going to see medical device technology, and you're going to see manufacturing and industry sectors such as Cummins, Trek, Rolls-Royce, basically everyone that you could think of in this space. As we shift gears to mechanical engineering, modeling, and simulation, our alumni are taking on roles in product engineer, mechanical engineer, hardware mechanical engineer. You can see some of the locations: Wisconsin, Minnesota, Oregon, Iowa. And then if you take a look, you can see some of the companies. So you're going to see John Deere, Honeywell, some healthcare related fields. You're also going to see specialized engineering and manufacturing companies. As we look at aerospace engineering, which is a more niche opportunity, you'll see some of the top industries: aerospace product and parts manufacturing, federal government, scientific research, navigational measuring, electromedical and control instruments manufacturing. You're also going to see that there were over 12,000 job postings in this space, and the median salary was just shy of 135,000. You can see some of our job titles: aerospace engineer, aerospace systems engineer, flight test engineer. You'll also see some positions such as propulsion engineer, aerodynamics engineer, aircraft engineer. The biggest and top names in aerospace and defense. And for those that are interested in space, we also have companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin that are hiring engineers to push the boundaries of our exploration. One of the biggest advantages of being part of UW-Madison and the College of Engineering is the incredible support network that will be available to you. We host engineering career fairs each year, typically in the fall and in the spring, that will connect you with hundreds of potential employers. You will have access to engineering career services. This team is dedicated to helping students succeed. They'll offer resume reviews, interview prep, job search strategies, and more. You'll have access to our alumni association. Our alumni network is 450,000 and growing. You can connect with alumni for mentorship opportunities and job referrals. You'll have access to our online job platform, Handshake. So you can register for career events, for interviews. You can explore the job postings for companies that are looking for specific UW-Madison graduates. And then also areas of emphasis. So you'll have the opportunity to pursue one of several focus areas to tailor your graduate experience to your interest. So whether you're looking for networking, skill building, or hands-on experience, UW-Madison is going to provide you the tools and the connections to help you succeed. So let's take a look at our admissions requirements and what the application is going to require. Students must have completed a bachelor's degree in engineering from an ABET accredited institution with a minimum undergraduate GPA of a 3.0 in the last 60 credits of their undergraduate degree. International students educated in a language other than English must also submit either an IELTS or TOEFL English proficiency test score. And then we look at the deadlines. The fall application deadline is December 15th, and the spring application deadline is September 1st. In order to apply for one or more of our mechanical engineering programs, students must complete the online application, which includes uploading unofficial transcripts for all colleges and universities attended, a statement of purpose, resume, 3 letters of recommendation, and the $75 application fee. International students pay an additional $6 processing fee. The GRE will not be required for the fall 2026 application. As you explore our accelerated engineering programs, please feel free to contact us by phone or email, or scan the QR code and you can schedule an appointment with one of us directly. Thank you for listening and participating in our webinar. We're now going to transition to the question and answer portion of our webinar, so feel free to add any questions that you have to our chat.